Hello, we're going to look at how to book your parents' evening appointments. You should have had a letter sent out which states which dates all the different parents' evenings are going to be on, and the date available for when the links will be posted to Google Classroom. Each teacher will post the link just like this into your own Google Classroom for each child. Each different classroom Each different class will have a different link, so please make sure you're clicking on the correct one. When you click on the link, it will open a Google Calendar like this. It will take you straight to today's date. You can choose whether you want to view one day at a time or a week. I've got it to week to view at the minute. And then use the arrows to move to the correct date for your appointments. So the primary 4 appointments currently set to the 24th and 25th of February. So if we use them as an example, here we are on the 24th and 25th of February. You can see the appointments are all here. If the appointment is blue, then it's already been taken and you won't be able to book it. But all of the grey ones, if you hover over them, you can see in more detail what time each appointment is. They are 12-minute slots. That's 10 minutes of appointment time with the teacher and sort of a minute either side to get on and to get off the call, so that we don't have anyone holding anyone else up for their appointments. If you choose the appointment you'd like, so hovering over it shows you the exact time there, 3:30 to 3:42 for that one. Down here, 5:54 till 6:06 p.m. When you decide on the appointment you want on the day you would like, all you need to do is click on the appointment and a box will pop up like this. You don't need to put any extra details in. This is just for the purposes of your calendar. All you need to do is click save and that appointment will be yours. What will then happen is the booking system will generate an email to your child's Edubuzz account. To get to that, it's just by going through the Gmail. So if we have a look here, I'll just refresh mine just now. You can see this is my appointment invitation from clicking on that link. If you're not sure how to get to Gmail, you can use the 9-dot app icon here and click on Gmail. And as long as you're already signed in with the Edubuzz account, it should take you straight to the correct inbox. With this email, it will not only confirm your time and date, but it will provide you with a Google Meet link, which you will need on the night to be able to see the correct teacher. You can confirm your yes, no. Hopefully, yes, you've chosen the appointment. To ensure that you are quickly able to get a hold of that Google Meet link when you need it on the night, I advise that you click the star, and that will add this email straight into the starred box on your Gmail account. If you haven't really used the Gmail before on the Edubuzz account, and you've probably got something like 700 emails, this will help you find it really quickly. All you'll need to click on is starred, and it probably will be the only one in there. The other thing you could, of course, do is copy and paste the Google link and save it in a separate document on your computer or on your phone, so that you've got the Meet link separately. Another way you can get to the Meet link on the night is by clicking on calendar. Sorry, I'm going to click on the full calendar here. Use the app icon to get to calendar, and then if you go to the correct date, so this is my appointment here. Where is it? It was this evening, wasn't it? Was it 3:30? What time did I choose? Let's have a look. Yeah, 3:30 to 3:42. So you can see it just here is my appointment. At the minute you're seeing a little bit more because you're seeing my teacher appointments as well. But here it is, and when I click on it, it's got the Join with Google Meet option here. You can also go straight to the Google Meet app here, and on the Google Meet homepage, it should load up any meetings just here that you've got coming up. So on the day of your Google Meet appointment, your parents' evening, it will appear right here with the time that you're meant to join. And then you just need to click join at the correct time. Okay, I hope that helps you with booking your appointments, and that if you have any problems, please get in touch with the correct teacher. Thank you.